Alright, my wonderful students, so we are working on our narrative revisions, so our short stories, how to rewrite them to make them even better. So here are the 6 things that you need to make sure you have included. I'm going to show you how to include them. Number 1, you need to divide your paper into paragraphs, making a separate paragraph for your intro, rise in action, falling action, each of those. Okay, so here's how. So I'm taking Cameron's as an example. He actually pretty much already did it. He has, from what it looks like, his intro here. So what I would do is, because it's already a different paragraph, let's say it wasn't though, if it was all here, then I would just skip a line to make sure it's separate. So for right now, I'm going to comment and say this is my introduction paragraph. Okay. Then let's imagine this was his rise in action, highlight, comment, rise in action, right? The second thing is highlight in yellow at least 5 vivid verbs. So let's see what we got. That's so long ago, I guess it was lucky. She was applied is a good vivid verb. So I'll highlight that. This is how you do it. You click text color and you'll click yellow. That makes the text yellow. Or highlight it, and if you want the background to be yellow, change that back to regular. And then you're gonna change it so that it has highlight, and then this actually highlights the section. Okay? So either way. So you'll go through and find all 5. If you don't have 5, the whole point of this is that now you have a chance to actually go through and add in vivid verbs. When I grade you, this is what I'm going to be using. Okay. Number 3, bold an example of personification. So we know that that is giving a human characteristic to a non-living thing. So let's just imagine, this isn't personification, but just so I can show you how to do it. If this were a personification sentence, I would highlight it and then click the bold. Okay, and that makes it bold. Highlight it, click bold. A shorter way is you can also press Command B, and that will also bold it. Command B. So either way. Number 4, underline a simile or a metaphor. So imagine that this was either one. You click this to underline, so he already has most of his underline right here, underline, and a quicker way is Command U, we'll underline it and ununderline it. Number 5, it's going to say to highlight in red your climax where you explode the moment. So this is probably going to be a big part of yours. Wherever you really exploded it, you highlight all of it. Whatever is actually exploded. Again, this is not exploded. This is not his climax. This is just to show you how to do it. Click here, highlight, and red. And that'll highlight it red. Or, again, you can highlight and do it so it's the text itself. Okay? If you ever mess up, just click the undo button, and that'll get rid of whatever you did. Okay? And if you want to put it back, press redo. So those 2 buttons will come in handy. And finally, number 6, add in 2 more selections where you use dialogue to show what a character is like instead of tell. So I actually read Cameron's essay, so I know where this comes in. Here, he uses some dialogue. So directions say, add in 2 more sections. So even though he has a section, no matter what, he's going to add in 2 more right now to show what his character is like. And that's what you're going to do. However, you can indicate to me, so when you add in the new section, say this is newly added dialogue, or however you want to signal to me when I grade this, if that's what it is. Okay? Okay, if you need any help, call me over, or even better, read the directions again and watch the video again. Okay? Good luck with these.